Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is 13th part. This is 13th part of three-dimensional geometry, and we are in the exercise 11.2. This is 11.2 exercise, and we solved the first 10 problems, including 14, 15, 16, 17 also. The only remaining problems are only 11, 12 and 30. Okay, now? These are all over. Not needed. Okay, Nana? Now, we will solve the problem. This exercise is very slowly I solved. Why? Because very good concept is there in this one. Okay, no? Finding the shortest distance between the skew lines and finding the lines are parallel, perpendicular, like that also. Now, the 11th one, find the angle between the two lines. Where given lines are Roman 2 problem I am solving. It is x by 2 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 1, and it is x minus 5 by 4, y minus 2 by 1, z minus 3 by 8. Okay, now it is somewhat difficult one. It is not in the formation. You see, it is x minus 0 by 2, y minus 0 by 2, z minus 0 by 1, and it is already in the formation. Means this line is in the Cartesian form. It is passing through 0, 0, 0 and parallel to the vector. Here, a bar is 0, 0, 0, b bar is equal to y plus 2j plus k. Don't confuse now. The denominators are the drs of the line. Denominators are the drs of the line. Those drs is nothing but b bar. And here it is 5, 2, 3 is the point c bar. And d bar is equal to 4i plus j plus 8k. Okay, now that is b bar and d bar is given. The angle between the two lines means the cos theta is equal to is b bar dot d bar by modulus of b bar modulus of d bar. That is 2i plus 2j plus k dot of 4i plus j plus 8k. Okay, now? By this is the modulus of same 2i plus 2j plus k. Modulus of 4i plus j plus 8k. So, please try to understand it. This is given in the Cartesian form. That means the vector, that line is passing through this point. It is a point here. Here it is a point here. Here it is a point C and parallel to the vector b bar. Here it is the second line is parallel to the vector d bar. So these two lines for which we are finding the angle, those two lines are parallel to, first line is parallel to b bar, second line is parallel to d bar. If the lines having the angle theta, then the angle between the vectors are also theta, same, because they are parallel. So cos theta is equal to, by using the dot product concept. Now here it is I dot I, it is 2 into 4 plus 2 into 1, 1 into 8 by this root 4 plus 4 plus 1. It is 16 plus 1 plus 64. Here you see 8 plus 2, 10, 18. Root 9 means 3. Root, this is 64 plus 16 is 80. 81 is 9. Okay, na? 9 twos, it is 2 by 3. So cos theta is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse, it is 2 by 3. Okay, now that is the angle between the two lines were given in the Cartesian form, just like you have to solve. Is it okay? Yeah. Next. Next, third one. Find the value of P. That the lines were given, two lines are at right angles. I think this is here it is 39. Yeah, this is the 12th one. You see, given lines are 1 minus x by 3. Okay, now 7 is equal to 7y minus how much? 14 by 2p is equal to z minus 3 by 2. Is it correct? Yeah, 1 minus x, 7y minus 14, that one. And you see, 7 minus 7x by 3p, that is y minus 5 by 1, it is 6 minus z by 5. They are right angles. Then we have to find the value of p. A very good problem. You give the star notation. You are dead-head. You see, formation is x minus a1, y minus b1, z minus z1. Okay, now? But here, you see, it is 1 minus x. I want to change. It is x minus 1. By minus 3, I change, interchange, x minus 1. We get 1 minus. That minus will be taken in the denominator. Here also y minus 2 by 2p by 7. Will you agree? Y minus something must be there. 7 is taken as common. 7 of y minus 2. That 7 will become as a denominator by denominator. Okay, is it okay? 7 of y minus 2. That 7 comes to p by 7. And this is z minus 3 by 2. It's no matter. Here also, it is x minus 1. Actually, it is 7 of 1 minus x by 3p na. It is a y minus 5 by 1. It is a minus z minus 6 by 5. Again, I want to write it as x minus 1 by minus 3p by 7. Be careful. X minus 1 interchange, 1 minus we will get, I will write it here in the denominator, by 7. Y minus 5 by 1. This is z minus 6 by minus 5. So here the diars of line 1, first line, is minus 3, 2p by 7, 2. This is nothing but A1, B1, C1. The diars of line 2 is minus 3p by 7, 1 minus 5. This is A2, B2, C2. Who I show? Okay, now? Now, Here they are perpendicular. You see, they are perpendicular. Whereas we are given L1 is perpendicular to L2. Is given is there. That implies perpendicular means cos theta is 0. Cos 90 is 0. That implies A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Why? Because cos theta is equal to, already we solved, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of A1 square B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 plus C2 square is equal to 0. Why? Because cos 90 is 0. Because lines are perpendicular. So this denominator will go to that side, also 0. Already in the previous problems we used the DCs L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. But here it is DRs. Right. That implies, what is A1 A2? It is minus 3 into minus 3p by 7 plus 2p by 7 into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Okay, na? 3 into minus 3p by 7. 2p by 7 into 1. 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0 by using that formula. Now you see, it is 9p by 7. 2p by 7. This is minus 10 is equal to 0. You see, 9p plus 2p by 7 is equal to 10. 11p is equal to 70. 7 into 10. P is equal to 70 by 11. Okay, now? Like that, we may solve the problem. Okay, now? That is finding the value of P. Next, the last one. Show that the points, show that the lines which are given in the Cartesian form. You see in your textbook there. 13th one. Show that the lines which are in the Cartesian form, which are perpendicular. We have to show that they are perpendicular. You see. 13th one. Given lines. What are the given lines? X minus 5 by 7, y plus 2 by minus 5. This is z by 1 and x by 1, y by 2, z by 3. Well, you see, actually this is we have to write it as like that. X minus 5 by 7, y minus half minus 2 by minus 5, z minus 0 by 1. And here also then x minus 0 by 1, y minus 0 by 2, z minus 0 by 3. So here two sets of lines are there, pair of lines are there. This line is L1 is passing through point 5 minus 2, 0 and DRs. Here DRs. DRs of L1 is 7 minus 5, 1. This is important. It is A1, B1, C1, S2. And DRs of L2 is equal to 0. Or 1, 2, 3. That is A2, B2, C2. Now, we consider A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. What will be happen? We'll see there. It is 7 into 1 plus minus 5 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Okay, now this is 7 minus 10 plus 3. That is nothing but 0. So whenever A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, that is the product of sum of product of set of DRs of two lines is 0, then they are a perpendicular. Of course, DRs, if we are given the DCs, that is L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 also 0. That is DCs, don't confuse. Here we are given a DRs. That sum is 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is 0. That implies, hence, otherwise write, hence, the given lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, Naina? So, the exercise is completed. The main problems are already we solved in the previous videos, that is 30, 14, 15, 16, 17 are important problems. Okay, Naina? Bye.